Hello everyone, I'm sorry for my late New Year greetings. I really hope you guys are having a great start in 2026. Myself, I got sick last week and I couldn't stop coughing. I took a medicine and getting better, so now I'm okay enough to film my video. As we step into this brand new year, I just want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you guys for being here on my YouTube platform. Whether you have been watching from the beginning or you just found this channel by coincidence recently, your time and your support truly mean a lot. Thank you so much. The start of the new year is always special for me. It's a chance to pause, look back and appreciate how far we have come, and at the same time to look forward with hope, curiosity and courage. Last year might have brought challenges, especially last fall, September, November, December. I had so much tough time with my company fighting for my innocence. I won't talk too much about this incident this time, but some days were so tough. Some plans didn't go well as I expected, and my future might have felt uncertain, but now it is okay. I have another personal goal, by the way. One, keep working hard for this year. I mean harder than last year. I want to reach my annual income at 20 million yen. Last year, my annual income was around 10 million. This year, 20. I make it 20. I'm thinking about changing my job for my better career, but that's not a priority because I want to focus more on my asset management with stock and cryptocurrency. I'm going to invest more in stock this time. I mean, my budget is doubled, so it's quite possible. And this one, YouTube. If you are watching this one right now, that means you made it through. And that alone is something to be proud of. This year, let's focus more on progress, not perfection. Small steps matter. On this channel, my goal is super simple: to continue sharing a content that informs, inspires, and helps you to see the world more clearly. We'll talk more about the important news, useful knowledge, and ideas that matter. Not just to stay updated, but to grow together. If you have your own idea or goals this year, I hope you don't give up on them. And if you don't yet, that's okay too. Sometimes the goal is so simple to keep moving forward. Let's make this year one of the learning, kindness, positive change, not just for ourselves, but for the world around us. Okay, thank you so much for being a part of this journey. If you enjoy this channel, please like, subscribe, and share. It really helps and motivates me to keep going. Once again, Happy New Year! Wishing you health and happiness and success in the year ahead. Let's make it a great one together.